Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Yarn and we are doing the mystery dog. Okay, let's start. Where did you get this dog? I found her behind our house in the woods. Why? She's sleeping at the end of my bed but has been acting a little weird. Her eyes are so human-like. Okay, I'm sure she's fine. We will be back tomorrow. We are dropping her off at the shelter. She's doing it again. What? She slowly turned around and looked at me. I don't know why. Her eyes are freaking me out. This story is funny. And she's making this weird sound. But her mouth is closed. Maybe pet her. Help her go to sleep. Fine. Her fur feels so fake. Did you feed her? Yes, but she didn't eat. She keeps making this weird sound. Google it. It sounds like she's yelling. What do you mean? It sounds like she's screaming. But she's not opening her mouth. Maybe feel her throat, see if something is stuck there. Oh my gosh! Oh, the puppy's so cute! What's wrong with it? What? Julia, there is a zipper under her fur that wraps around her neck. A zipper? Yes, but it's sewn into her fur skin. Sorry. Mum, what is wrong with her? She sounds like she's mumbling words. Julia, do not do anything. We are coming home. Julia. Oh my god, so that's part 1. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, so that might be the end of the video. I will do a number 2 in a second.